got the giant 26-foot inflatable pumpkin. Popcorn for you, Kim. Guys, it is trick-or-treat day here in Ohio. We have trick-or-treaters in every direction dragging a skeleton. We've got the giant 26-foot inflatable pumpkin, the RBM Outdoors Panda medium orange tent with the jack-o'-lanterns, the zombie campfire, and the skeledogs over here. We've got a Halloween pupster too. And we are hanging out in the Coody Koala 7 handing out our treats. I even got out the Panda M wood burning stove from RBM Outdoors just in case it got cold out here. But it's about 56 right now, so I don't think we'll be needing that. Whole bag of good stuff. I like the sparkly hair. Hello. Wait. From our family to yours, happy Halloween!